The Bay East Foundation is offering scholarships to students looking to continue their education in fall 2022. Requirements: primary residence in Alameda or Contra Costa County. GPA must be 3.25 or higher. Attending an educational institution that provides a program that is acceptable for full credit towards a bachelor's degree or higher. Applications are available March 1st. All applications must be submitted online no later than May 1st. Scholarship awards start at $1,500. Finalists will be required to participate in a mandatory interview on June 9th or June 10th. Winners will be announced by June 24th. Recipients are invited to attend an awards ceremony held the week of July 11th. Questions? Email Meetings and Events Specialist Rochelle Hatala. Thanks for watching.